All right, well, we are back, and we are going to have a quick conversation about what is going on in the market this week. Lindsey, kick us off.
Awesome. Well, we're continuing to see some variability in oil prices as the supply seems to increase and there seems to be a bit of a supply glut. Still, there's some uncertainty about it. Then we're seeing oil prices come down a little bit. However, OPEC has made a commitment that they will be extending the cut, trying to continue on with the cut, and just trying to keep the prices at a place that they can fund their own efforts as well. So we're seeing a lot of variability back in oil prices as some of the supply numbers come in. So as for sales, though, in the Calgary marketplace, things are off the hook. Looking at the numbers right now, we're sitting at 48.16. That's down slightly from 48.72 and even down a little bit more this morning. As for our months of, as for the Canadian dollar, we're sitting at 74.80, and that is down slightly from 74.94 last week. But I'm telling you guys, sales are bumping right now. We're up almost 20% from last week.
Great. I'm just moving on to number of listings. In Metro Calgary, we're at 5,186, and that is up 125 from last week. And in Red Deer, we're up a few listings as well, and now we're sitting at 574.
That's right. As for our months of inventory, we're looking at things being fairly flat again across the board. 2.94 overall for single-family homes. We're sitting at 2.04 again. Balanced market, 2.5 to 4 months. Single-family homes are hopping right now. They are definitely in a seller's market territory, and that's flat from last week. And again, condos flat again. Condos sitting in that buyer's market territory, being over 4 months of inventory, sitting at 5 months. Great.
Surrounding areas, again, everything looking pretty stable. Okotoks 4.02 versus 4.64. Airdrie 2.93, down slightly from 3.15. Cochrane 5.74, up from 5.03. Strathmore 5.16, down from 5.77. Sundre 19, up from 11.2. And Red Deer is at 6.45, just up a little bit from 6.33. And our benchmark price is at $438,100.
Overall, in Calgary, we have a 25% increase in sales so far. We're going to be looking at the numbers again on the first of the month, which is coming up in April. But I know that many realtors have been feeling it out there.
Well, CIR's numbers are great.
Yeah, we're experiencing some big growth. But I'm going to tell you guys, now is the time. If you haven't been out there with your sellers already, you've already missed it a little bit. You need to get out there today, because as the weather gets nice, people's attitudes start changing. They want to start looking at moving on. You need to be talking to your clients, getting back in flow with them, and finding out if there's any lifestyle change they need. The power of forward phone calls or sending a handwritten note or touching base with somebody is more important today, because people are in the mood. And in Calgary, anybody that didn't move last year because of economic conditions but had a lifestyle change, that's pent up. And they're going to be making a move this year. So you need to ensure that you're taking the time to reach out to these people, because the transactions are out there. It's just up to you to go get them.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you very much. We will be right back, talk a little bit about what's going on in the company.